Hello, good morning students. How are you today? Obviously good. So I think you all have performed breathing exercise and yoga. Whatever the steps I had shown you on Tuesday, you all will perform. Okay? You must be feeling energetic. Okay? And every morning if you are doing it, then all the internal organs will also remain good in your body. Okay. Now before starting the exercise, I like to say something about sending answer to me. I repeatedly telling you while taking click of your answer. Suppose this is the solve part of your test copy. I have solved it. I have to send it. Suppose it is your answer. Last page is this. What will do? You have to take the snap from the last page one by one. Okay? Say I am taking it. Say this is my answer. Take snap. Then next answer. Next page. You don't do like this way. You keep it on your bed or floor. Now next. Next. Then this one. And finally the first page. Okay. So you have taken all the snap. Now close it. After that, what will do? Go to the gallery. Okay. Click on gallery. Resend. So whatever the snap you have taken, all will be here. Okay. All will be here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. You select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at a time. What you are doing? You are selecting the last one and sending to me. Then next one you are sending to me. Not like this way. You select at a time all. Then send. Click on send. Then WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Then send it to me. This is the way. Then what will happen? All the photograph will be on one place and your first snap will be the last snap and your last snap will be the first snap. So that easily I can go through your question paper. And one more thing, maximum students you are not writing on the first page of your answer sheet, that is your name, class, section. Otherwise, how can I send you marks? It is very difficult for me to collect your name from other sources. So while answering, make sure you will first write the name, class and section, and then you will start answering. After answering from the last page, the way I have told you, take the snap. While taking, you will keep your notebook on the floor or bed, and then you take it properly. Okay, and switch off it, and then you come to the gallery. Select all the questions and then send to WhatsApp to me. So in this way I can get all the answer at a time. So next time when you conduct the class test, I hope that you will be following it and I will not face any problem. I can send your marks quickly also. Okay. Now today I am going to start the exercise number 9.2, that is multiplication of algebraic expression. Multiplication and division both you can take, but initially first one is the multiplication. So before starting multiplication, certain rules we have to follow. That is the signing rule and what actually we will be performing while multiplying the 2 or 3 terms. Okay, first is signing rule. Signing rule, what you will follow? When the two expression both are plus plus, sign will be plus only. And if one is minus, another is plus, positive and negative, final answer, whatever it is there, negative only. When plus and minus, the final answer will be minus. When both are minus, after multiplication or division, this rule for multiplication, and division. Okay, and then minus minus, it will be final answer is plus. Okay, now what are the other things we have to follow? Say other steps are, what will do? Number one, you multiply or divide the numerical factor, numerical coefficient. Multiply or divide numerical factors. Okay, first along with sign. Second, literal factors, powers of the literal factors. Powers of literal factors. Add powers of literal to be added in case of multiplication and subtracted in case of division. So step 1, in case of multiplication, what will you say? Numerical factor, you will multiply or divide. In case of division, you will divide. And powers of the literal factor, in case of multiply, you will add like factors. Like literal factor, I say like literal factors. Powers will be added. And in case of division, so powers of the like literal factors will be subtracted. But nothing is there, only these three. First, you consider the sign between the 2, 3 terms, and then in case of multiplication, multiply that term, number, numerical factor, and power. If it is like term, like factors, you will add. If it is division, in case of division, you will subtract. If it is unlike, no change. Both the factors will remain as it is. Okay, both the factors or all the factors remain unchanged if it is unlike literal factors are there in case of division and multiplication. Okay, division little bit different. I will talk later on what we will do. Have you understood? So you note down this part. It is very, very important before starting the exercise. Then afterward you will not get. So you will pause the video. You can come to know what to do. Clear? Shall I rub it now? Now I am rubbing it. I will start the exercise. First exercise 9.2, very simple type of calculation. You will start from the simple one only. Say question number 1. Question number 1, part A, or mark is Roman number 1. What is this? Multiply 4,7p. Okay. Now what we do it? So you multiply all the numerical factor in bracket. Okay, and what is the little factor? Only one p. So 4 7 ja 28 p. You see both are positive, so sign is not changed. Number 2, minus 4p and 7p. Okay, so what we'll do? So multiply the numerical factor in bracket and then p into p. So it will be minus 28. What is said? What I said here, in case of multiplication, power will be added. What is the power of p here? 1. What is the power of p here? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. This is the answer. Are you clear? Fatapat complete karo. You can also do it along with me. Third, minus 4p into 7pq. So same way, this 7 into p into q. You see, one unlike factor q is there. It will remain as it is. Only the p and p. What will be the result? 28 p square q. Clear? Now next one, 4 pq minus 3p. So same 4 into, so when this bracket is there, you have to take the help of curly bracket, minus 3. Because two sign, whatever it is, positive, negative or multiplication, division, you cannot write down together at a time. So one sign must be kept in bracket. Then p raised to 3 into only 1p. So it is 3 4 jar 12 minus 12 plus minus minus, but sign will be minus. pq and p1, what is the power? P raised to 4 minus 12 p raised to 4. Koi problem? Should not be any problem. 4p and 0. So 4p into 0 equals to 0. So I told you in case of rational number and natural number, when any number, it may be the literal numbers or it may be the rational number or it may be integer, is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. Okay, no need to calculate anything. So this is about the first question. Now I am coming to second question. Second question, you see, what is this? Find the areas of rectangle with following pairs of monomial as the length and breadth respectively. So in each case there will be a small rectangle. Okay, so length is p and breadth is q. So therefore area is equal to L into B, that is P into Q, that is PQ. Understood? Second one, in each case you draw a rectangle, concept will be clear. Length is 10 m and breadth is 5 n. So therefore area is equal to L into B. So 10 m multiplied by 5 n. 5 10 ja 50. Now you see two little factors m and n, unlike. So I cannot add their power. So it will be along with what? mn. Since it is area, you should mention the unit. It will be PQ square unit. Square unit. You write down the clear part. Square unit. Clear? Now, next question, third. So, small rectangle. So, one is 20 x square, other is 5y square. What is the area? Area is equal to L into B, that is 20x square into 5y square. Same way, you can write down the numerical factor in bracket, no problem. X square into y square. 25 is 100, y square, x square. Why? Because x and y two unlike literal factors. At the end, you write down square unit because we don't know the unit. Then next one. Okay, I am doing the last one. So here 3 mn, length is 3 mn and breadth is 4 np. Therefore, area is equal to L into B. So that equals to 3 mn into 4 np. So for 3 into 4 mn into np. So that equals to 12 mn. M will be m, n will be n square. So 2n is there and p. 12 m n square p. So I have added the coefficient or the exponent of n. When nothing is there, you have to imagine 1 is the power of each and every little factor if it is not given. Okay, now coming to the next. So those are not written, you will pause the video and complete your work in fair notebook. Nobody will do here and there. You have the fair notebook, I think, and you will complete your work in your fair notebook as soon as school reopens, and you have to submit it. Okay. Now question number 3. There is a table, we have to complete this. I will not do all questions. This is very easy and time consuming. So you will do actually. So I am doing 1 or 2, remaining you will do it. Okay. So here table is like this. So first one. Okay, now suppose I have just written only this column, remaining part you will complete. Procedure is I am showing you. First monomial, second monomial. First monomial by horizontal, next one is the first monomial is the horizontal line, second monomial is the vertical line. Okay, second monomial. Okay, now this is the 2x vertical line, 2x minus 5y, then 3x square. Keep on writing. Okay, I am not doing it. You will complete the remaining column. So it is 2x. This is minus 5y. And this is 3x square. Okay, what they are saying, this diagonally you have to multiply this and this. What is the result? Orally, 2 to the 4, x into x, x square. Again this and this. 2 5s are 10, plus minus minus 10. X into y, xy. 3 to the 6, x and x square equals to x cube. Again, vertical horizontal line x and vertical line y. 5 to the 10 minus x y into y, y square. Then again, sorry, I have not multiply the x part. Here you see minus 10 xy, and 5 into 5 minus minus plus, sign will also be plus, minus 5y minus 5y, minus minus plus 25, y into y square, okay, power is 1, minus 5 into 3 minus 15, y into x square, y x square or x square y, anything you can write down. Here 2x into 3x, 2 3s are 6, x square and x cube. Now 5 into 3 minus 5 into 3 minus 15, and then y square y x square. 3 into 3 9, x square and x square, x raised to 4. So remaining part same way we will complete the table. Is there any problem you are facing? You should not be. Done? You have copied? Now I am going to wrap it. I will start question number 4. Question number 4. What is this? Obtain the volume of rectangle box with the following length, breadth and height. So here earlier we have drawn a square, a rectangle. Now this time we have to volume the box, rectangular box, that is cuboid. Length, breadth and height is given. You need to find out the volume. Volume means what? L into B into H. Okay. So first one I am just doing one. So box. Clear? So you have to draw a cuboid. You know, rectangle inside another rectangle, it will be a cuboid. Okay. Write down the measurement. Why I am doing it? If you are writing this way, your concept will be clear. You will never face any problem in exam. You can write down what you will write, what unit you will write. Okay. Now, what is the length? Length is the 5a, breadth is 3a square, and height, this one is height 7, a raised to 4. Okay. So now volume is equal to L into B into H. Okay. L is the 5a, breadth is 3a square, and height is 7a4. Multiply serially all the numerical factors. 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 7, 15 are 105. A raised to 1, 3, 2, 3 plus 4, 7. A raised to 7 cubic unit. Because unit of the volume is cube. It may be centimeter cube, it may be meter cube. Since it is not mentioned, I just stated cubic unit. Okay. Same next one. I'll do only 2. Remaining 2 you will practice. Okay. I'm not giving as homework. You will practice. 1 cube. 1 cube, and the measurement is 2p, 4 cube and 8r. Therefore, volume is equal to L into B into H. L is the 2p, 4 cube and 8 what? 8r. 8r. What is the product? Multiply all the numerical factor. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. PQR. PQR cubic unit. Okay. Next 2 question you will practice at home. Okay. I'm coming to the next question 5. Obtain the product. Okay. Same way. So remaining part you will practice at home. So question number 5. Question number 5. Obtain the product xy, yz, zx. They are saying product means multiplication. So xy into yz into zx. How many x? No numerical factor, all are having 1. That means 1. We no need to write down 1. x1, 2. So x square, y square, z square. Nothing is there. Have understood? So now second question. A minus a square and a cube. Clear? Same way, multiply a into minus a square into a cube. Nothing is there, no numerical factor, so only the 1, 1, 1. The minus 1, 1 you no need to write down. So a raised to 1, a raised to 2, 3, 3, a raised to 3. So a raised to 6. Clear? So, acha. Only one more I am doing it. After that, the remaining part you will practice at home. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y raised to y cube. So multiply serially 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. Multiply all the numerical factors. 2 4s are 8. 8 is just 64. 64 16 jar. 64 16 jar. So 24 3 4 and 6 4 2 10. So 1024. How many y? 1 2 3 and 3 6. Y raised to 6. Got it? So this is about the exercise 9.2. Clear? Some other questions. Now I am coming to exercise 9.3. Same. Nothing is there. Same principle. Little complex number. No problem. You know the technique. Same technique you have to apply. Okay? As per the instruction, you have to show your work. If diagram is required, you will do. Okay. Now, carry out the multiplication of the expression each of the following. Part. Question number 1, part 1. 4p, comma, q plus r. So that means what? This is monomial and this is binomial. When it is there, I cannot follow whatever the process I followed earlier. That is monomial into monomial. So what we will do? This binomial I have to keep in bracket. So 4p into q plus r. What does it mean? Whatever the number present before the bracket, you have to multiply the each factor inside the bracket. So 4p into q, 4pq, plus 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 4p into r, 4pr. Bas, nothing is there. Okay. Now question number 2. AB into AB, A minus B. Same procedure. A into B, A minus B. So you multiply AB into A square B. A into A square and B minus AB into B, A B square. Clear? Now 3. AB, A plus B into 7A square B square. So when binomial is the first, no need, you have to write down at the beginning. You can write down the monomial at the beginning, binomial at later on. So I will write down the 7A square B square at the beginning, then A plus B later on. So now we multiply this one. 7a square b square into a means 1a will increase a cube b square and plus 7 a square b cube. Got the idea? Any problem? Okay. So remaining part you will practice. Okay. Last one more question I am doing it. A square minus 9 and 4a. Same way 4a 49 not a 49 4a. So 4a into a square minus 9. So 4a cube minus 36a. Clear? So this is all about. And now what about the this box is given, same way one box I have done in previous exercise, same way you will do it. Okay, question number 3 onward actually important question. Okay, and whatever I have done that will be just objective type question, fill in the blanks or MCQ. Okay, now coming to question number 3, 2 you will practice at home. Question number 2 you will practice at home in your fair notebook. You will not leave a single question. Understood? Pattern is same, that's I'm not doing. I'm coming to question number 3. What about the important part? Here you see a square into 2a square into 4a raised to 20. Okay? So whatever the numerical factors are there, you just write down in bracket. Okay? Nothing is there, 1 you will not write, more than 1 only write, 2 and this is 4. Now after that multiplied by a square, multiplied by a square, multiplied by a raised to 20. So all are a, little factors are a. So what I told, in case of multiplications, power of the literal factor, like literal factors are added. Like literal factors are added in case of multiplication, and in case of division, powers of the like literal factors subtracted. Okay, so what is the result here? 4 to the 8. Okay, then 2 to 4, 4 and plus 20, that is a raised to 24. Got it? Very simple. Number 2, 2 by 3xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. So all the numerical factor write down at the beginning, 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10 and xy into x square y square. So if you can cancel 2 and 5, 2 5 is 10 and this cut minus 3. So it is minus 3 by 5 x1 or x2, x raised to 3, y1 power 1 and y power 2, that is y raised to 3. Answer. Clear? Now, next is 3. Interesting question. Minus 10 by 3 p q square, q multiplied by 6 by 5 pq. So now write down the numerical factor at the beginning. This into 6 by 5 into PQ, Q and PQ, Q. So what will do? 5 2s are minus 2, 3 2s are. What is left out? Minus 2 and minus and 2. That is minus 4. P raised to 1, P raised to 3. So it will be P raised to 4. Q raised to 3, Q raised to 1. That means Q raised to 4. So this is the answer. Got the idea? Now next, Acha. Next question, I am coming to question number 4. Little different types. So simplify this, find its value for x raised to 3 and x raised to 2 half. So in this short case I cannot solve it, so I will do from here only. So you will note down each and every question, you will note down in your fair notebook. So question number 4. Question number 4a, first tuple, this is 3x a, question number a, 3x into 4x minus 5 and plus 3. Okay, when x equals to 3, x equals to half. So we have to practice, we have to check 2 times what should be the value of this. So what I will do, I will not put the value of little factor here. I have to simplify the expression first. After that I will put the value of x equals to 3 once, and then again same expression x equals to half. Understood? So it will be what? After simplifying, 3 4s are 12, x into x square, minus plus minus, 3 into 5, 15x, plus what? 3. Okay. So is there any like terms? Nothing is there. Now you replace the value of variable, that is x equals to 3. So 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So 12 into 3 square means 9 into 15 3s are 45 plus 3. 9 12s are, what is the 9 12s are? 132 minus 45 and this plus minus 242. So 0 9, 90 is the answer. So here answer is 90, and again x equals to half, 12 into half square minus 15 into half plus 3. So 12 into 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So cut 3. So what is this? 3 plus 3 minus 15 by 2. Okay. 6 minus 15 by 2. LCM 2. 12 minus 15. So it is coming minus 3 by 2. Final answer. Any problem? I think you are not facing any problem. So next question. Question number B, same procedure. One algebraic expression is there. You have to first simplify it, and then you have to put the value of variable. A is equal to 0, A equals to 1, A is equal to minus 1. Same procedure. Okay. Question number B, A into A square plus A minus 1 plus 5, where A equals to 0, A equals to 1 and A equals to minus 1. You have to check 3 times. So now put their value. A into A cube, A into A square, A into 1, A plus 5. Now put the first value, A is equal to 0. So 0 cube, 0 square plus 0 plus 5. So it is coming, all will be coming 0 plus 5. That equals to 5. Okay. Now next, Up to this much it will be 0 and only the 5 is left out. Final answer is 5. Now here also you can practice a raised to 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. 1 cube is 1. How many times? As many as time you can multiply 1. Result is 1 only. 1 plus 5, that equals to 8. And next, if second, this one is the first, and third I am doing what? A is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 5. देखो question is same. More or less value only negative and positive. So many changes are there. Okay. So negative number, cube of negative number is negative. Instead when you are talking the cube, so it will be minus 1 only. 1 as many times you multiply, it will be 1 only, and cube of negative number is negative, and square of negative number is positive. Square of negative number is positive. 1 2 times multiply, so it will be 1 only. Okay, so plus 1 minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 and plus 1 get cancelled. So minus 1 plus 5, that equals to 4. 4 is the answer. Okay. So question number 5 is left and some extra question also left. So next day I will be solving some extra question and your textbook question number 5. Okay. Today up to this much. Okay. Bye bye students.